Hi, folks. Mr. Dell here. We are looking at the concept of working with fractions within a word problem, within a real world situation. So I'm going to read the word problem and then we'll kind of talk through the best method of coming up with a solution and how to work with fractions in this way. So Naruni and Carly's latest project will require both of them to work independently as well as together. First, Naruni worked alone and completed 3/7 of the project. Then Carly took over and completed half of what was left to do. When they came to work together, how much of the original project did they have left to do? Show your work. So I like to look at, when I think about a project, right, getting something done, a task done. So it's almost as like a race. So you have your start, right? And then you're working on the project, and then there's the finish. Kind of like a race, start and finish. So what do we know? We know that Naruni got 3/7. 3/7 is not quite half. It's just below half. So I'll put it right there. So this is 3/7 of the project, and this is what Naruni got accomplished, right? So we can see that. So that being said, if I think about a project from start to finish, the project is one whole, right? My project is one whole. So if I think about this being 3/7 of that project, then what's the remainder? If that's 3/7, and this is the start, I started at 0 and I got the project done. It's one whole. That remainder there would be 4/7, wouldn't it? Because 3/7 plus 4/7 is 1, 7/7, right? So that's what's left over right now is 4/7. And we know that it says that Carly did half of that. So what I need to figure out is what did she do? So Carly did 1/2 of what was left, which is 4/7. So that right there, Carly did 1/2 of 4/7 of the project. So what do we need to do? We take 1/2 and we multiply that of, gives us an indicator that we're multiplying 1/2 times 4/7, which is equal to 4/14, which will reduce to 2/7 or simplify to 2/7. So from here to here then is 2/7, and that's what Carly did. And then now they work together, and it wants to know how much of the project did they have left to do. Well, if Carly only did half, the other half would be equal to the half she did, so that would be 2/7. So what do we know then? How much of the original project? So they have 2/7 of the project to do together. So that's our answer that they wanted as far as that final answer. How much of the original project do they have left to do? And then our show work is right here, showing the number line to show the portions, and then as well the mathematics that gets us that half of 4/7. There you go.